No surprise, there's a huge crowd for today's game. They're playing a 4-4-2 formation. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. That Knight gets it away. Good distribution. That Knight gets it away. And out for the throw-in. Oh, easy decision here. It's a goal kick. Here's Mane. He's onside here. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Be disappointed with that effort. That's unlike him. Normally he finds a net from there. Oh, well intercepted. It's Messi with the ball. It's Messi with the ball. Good save. Well, the keeper was well beaten. That's nicely played. Great block by the defender. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. At the striker's feet. Oh, he saved it. I'm looking forward to seeing that great save again. Whipped in. Really well played. It's Messi with the ball. Great chance here. Incredible goal here. Well, as you can see, he was a long way out there, but he connected sweetly to put the ball in the back of the net. Celebrations are over, so the ref starts things up again. Ter Stegen, what a save. He goes for goal. Ter Stegen, what a save. Let's take another look at that wonderful save. The ball is swung into the danger area. As a crack, Ter Stegen, what a save. Let's take another look at that. And it's half time then. They brought on a few substitutes for the second half. They're going to have to go for it in this second half. They need goals to get back into the match. It's back with the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper rolls it out. Oh, well intercepted. Here's Mane. Ter Stegen, what a save. Let's see that one again. It's Messi with the ball. Neymar, poor tackle there. Oh, and it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow. Oh, nasty challenge there. Looks like he needs to go off. brings the ball to safety. Now Ramos. Great understanding between this team. He did well to win the ball back. And he's won it back for his team. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. Here's Mane. Here's Ronaldo. Corner kick. Ter Stegen, what a save. Incredible reactions from the goalkeeper there to keep the shot out. Let's take another look. And that's into the box. It's Messi. He should have done better with that one. Well, let's take another look at that. Played short by the keeper. And that will take the pressure off. Great passing there. And it's Ronaldo.